नमस्ते दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका हमारी YouTube चैनल में। क्या आप अपने बच्चे को शुरुआती और ज़रूरी इंग्लिश शब्द सिखाना चाहते हैं? तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए ही है। इस वीडियो में हम लेकर आए हैं बच्चे के लिए 100 बेसिक और महत्वपूर्ण इंग्लिश शब्द। रोज़मर्रा की चीज़ों से लेकर महत्वपूर्ण क्रियाओं तक ये लिस्ट आपके बच्चे की इंग्लिश वर्ड पावर बढ़ाने की मदद करेगी। तो वीडियो को अंत तक जरूर देखें, लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। ओवे, आज्ञा मानना, पालन करना, टू फॉलो रूल्स और इंस्ट्रक्शन गिवन बाय समवन। पुअर, गरीब, हैविंग वेरी लिटिल मनी और रिसोर्स। स्ट्रॉन्ग, मजबूत, हैविंग ग्रेट फिजिकल पावर और बीइंग पावरफुल। ब्यूटी, सुंदरता, the quality of being pleasing to the senses, especially sight. Careful, सावधान, सतर्क, taking attention to avoid danger or mistake. Entry, प्रवेश, दाखिला, the act of going into a place. Chocolate, a sweet brown food made from cacao seeds. Remember, याद रखना, to keep something in your mind. Swim, तैरना, to move through water using your arm and legs. Question, प्रश्न, सवाल, a sentence asked to get information. Listless, सुस्त, उदासीन, having no energy or interest in things. Full, भरा हुआ, containing as much as possible. Pencil, a tool for writing or drawing, made of wood with a grey center. Beg, भीख मांगना, to ask for food, money or help because you are poor. Close, बंद करना, to shut something. Punishment, सजा, a penalty given for doing something wrong. Moon, चांद, the round object that shine in the night sky. Wake, जागना, to stop sleeping. Grandfather, दादा, नाना, the father of your mothers or fathers. Warm, garam, कुनकुना, having a pleasant comfortable heat. Difficult, मुश्किल, hard to do or understand. Dry, सूखा, not wet, without water or moisture. Night, रात, the time of darkness between sunset and sunrise. Burger, a round flat piece of cooked meat, often served in a bread roll. Enjoy, आनंद लेना, to take pleasure in something. Full, भरा हुआ, containing as much as possible. Apple, सेव, a round fruit with red, green or yellow skin. Onion, प्याज, a round vegetable with many layers and a strong smell. Potato, आलू, a round hard white vegetable that grows underground. Go, जाना, to move or travel from one place to another. Come, आना, to move towards the speaker or a place. Eye, आँख, the part of your body that you use to see. Toy, खिलौना, an object for children to play with. Naughty, शरारती, behaving badly, not obedient. Dog, कुत्ता, a common animal kept as a pet. Smooth, चिकना, having a flat even surface, not rough. Comb, कंघी, A flat piece of plastic or metal with teeth used to arrange hair. Car, गाड़ी, a vehicle with four wheels used for road travel. Computer, an electronic machine that store and process data. Tree, पेड़, a tall plant with a trunk and branches made of wood. Chair, kursi, a piece of furniture for one person to sit on. Drink, pina, to take liquid into your mouth and swallow it. Brave, bahadur, having no fear of dangerous or difficult situation. Take, lena, to get something into your hand. Grandmother, dadi, nani, the mother of your mother or father. Help, मदद करना, to make it easier for someone to do something. Plate, a flat dish used for serving food. Long, lamba, measuring a great distance from end to end. Time, samaya, the things measured in seconds, minutes, hours, etc. Milk, दूध, a white liquid produced by female mammals to feed their babies. Mother, माँ, a female parent. Rich, अमीर, having a lot of money or property. Name, नाम, the word by which a person or thinking is known. Father, पिता, a male parent. Brother, bhai, a boy or man who has the same parent as another. Exit, बाहर जाने का रास्ता. निकास, a way out of a building or place. Near, pass, at a short distance, not far. Sun, सूरज, the star that give light and heat to the earth. Food, bhojan, things that people and animals eat. Forget, bhul jana, to not remember something. Sister, bahan, a girl or woman who has the same parents as another. Answer, jawab dena, to say or write something as a reply. Active, सक्रिय, always busy doing things, energetic. Empty, खाली, containing nothing. Simple, सरल, easy to understand or do not complicated. Joy, खुशी, आनंद, a feeling of great happiness. Far, दूर, at a great distance. Thin, patla, having a small distance between opposite sides, not thick. Sleep, sona, to rest with your eyes closed and your mind unconscious. Cool, thanda, shant, slightly cold also means fashionable or calm. Easy, asan, not difficult, simple. Wet, gila, covered or soaked with water or another liquid. Late, there say, happening after the expected or usual time. Hand, hath, the part of your body at the end of your arm. Dislike, नापसंद करना, to not like something or someone. Empty, खाली, containing nothing. Water, पानी, a clear liquid without color or paste that falls as rain. wash dhona, to clean something with water and often soap. Bottle, bottle, a container with a narrow neck used for storing liquids. Face, chehra, the front part of your head. Crow, kawa, a large black bird known for its loud call. Bath, snan, the act of washing your body in a tube of water. House, ghar, a building where people live. Nose, naak, the part of your face above your mouth used for breathing and smelling. Cat, billy, a small furry animal with a whisker often kept as a pet. Good, acha, of high quality, pleasant, right. Color, rang, red, blue, green, yellow, etc. Park, a public area with grass and trees for recreation. Fish, machli, an animal that lives in water and breathes through gills. Sofa, sofa, a long comfortable seat with a back and arms for more than one person. Gate, fataka, a movable barrier used to open or close an entrance. Eat, khana, to put food into your mouth and swallow it. Shoes, jute, coverings worn on the feet. Give, dena, to hand something to someone, to present. Finger, ungli, one of the 5 long parts on your hand. Flower, full, the colored part of a plant from which the seed or fruits develop. Look, dekhna, to direct your eyes towards something. Spoon, chammach, a tool with a small shallow ball at the end of a handle used for eating. Open, kholna, to move something so that it is not longer closed. Short, chota, measuring a small distance from end to end, not long. वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर कमेंट करें और इस तरह वीडियो पाने के लिए हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। धन्यवाद।